Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to get secondary y-axis in your chart. Okay, so if you want to add two y-axis in chart, there is a simple process I will show you. So let's go on my Excel. Okay, so this is Excel. I have data. First I need to insert the chart, so I just select data which I want to make, chart or graph. So I just go to insert, and here I just insert chart of line. Okay, so here you can see I have sales numbers here and profit number. This is a series which is okay. So you can see I have only one axis. So if I want secondary axis, okay, so just select the line which you want to make in secondary. So I just select this one. Now click right and go to the format data science, and here you can see the option like secondary axis, and you can see the secondary axis has been added here. So that is how you can get secondary axis or two axis in your chart. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for